When I first bought Solarcraft, it had 4 employees. We're about 130 people on our team now. Our primary customers are oilfield, industrial.
There are a lot of security applications as well. In general, it's always going to be something that's in the field, that has to do with automation, that is critical.
We're unique in that we have the manufacturing capabilities. We build all of our own enclosures in-house. We build all of our skids. We have a very extensive engineering team, so we like when customers come to us with a problem that they can't solve.
We offer a very long warranty, probably the longest in the industry, of 5 years.
Our batteries outlast our competitors. Our systems are built to last, to go up against virtually any extreme harsh condition you can imagine.
We do so much more than solar, so it's very important that we get the message out to the industry of exactly what we do.
I've worked with some good companies, but when it came to pay-per-click, SEO, various strategies, and really fine-tuning it, rarely have I come across a company or worked with a company that seems to really have the acumen to make that happen.
OuterBox does a really great job of just understanding the business as a whole. I think with that industrial knowledge, they understand that we're looking for bigger purchases.
Some of the wins is really showing them how users are searching by doing a lead analysis, pulling all of their form submissions through Loop, and pulling together everything that they have annotated that's a quality lead.
These guys really get it. These guys get it at a level that I have never experienced before. And our numbers increase month over month. I mean, our pay-per-clicks are ridiculous.
We are getting quality leads that our sales team can go after and close.
First thing I do every Monday morning, I pull up the Loop reports. Okay, what's gone up, what's gone down, what are the places that people are going the most, what are getting the most attention, then why is it getting attention, where are people coming from?
By having a client like Solarcraft that is so open to collaboration and genuinely wants to collaborate, they see the value in making sure that we understand the ins and outs of their business. And I truly do feel like an extension of their sales team, and they have embraced that.
Unequivocally, OuterBox is the full package.
Especially if you're an industrial manufacturing company, which is very specific in terms of finding your market online. OuterBox is very much a B2B specialist and have really, really been a great partner over the years.